Oh my fucking... Oh! What? That's not even a turtle anymore.
We got that son, bitch.
That was fucking disgusting. Anyways. They're gonna cancel you for that.
Well, shit.
Oh yeah, the arrows over here. Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Okay, I'm out.
Alright, where's the arrows? I know they're like. Oh, right here. Yeah, there we go.
Ooh, we got bomb dynamite. What the fuck is that down there? Oh my god, there's a naked guy down there.
Hey! What are you doing?
You're rich. Hey, a deer. Yo, it's fucking popping over here. It's a Louis Vuitton suitcase? Oh shit.
God is angry.
I just put on that outfit and then that happened. Bro. God doesn't like my outfit.
God is very angry for what we did to the turtle.
What is going on down here? Deer!
He's eating his friend! Ow!
No.
He's beating with me a stick!
He's beating with me a stick.
It's Toby Maguire! Hey, Andrew.
Hey, I won that. Give me one. Am I hitting you?
Now, hold on. Let me make another bomb.
Jesus.
Here we go, fellers!
About to teach you a lesson.
I'm about to teach you a lesson, boy.
We're gonna start getting very, very, very cold.
Yeah, let's build that campfire. Andrew, there's babies.
Do you see the poor souls that entered here? Whoa! Sorry, a bat just flew into my ear.
Andrew, heads up. They're gonna. There's gonna be babies in here.
I don't see a single baby, bro.
They're in here.
They're in here, I swear.
Can we go? Can we get back up?
If there's a will, there's a way.
Alright, I'm going down.
Wait, you missed some stuff. Here's a piece of Tommy's toy, or Timmy's toy, not Tommy, Timmy. You can't get back up, can you?
Well, I'm not seeing if I can. I'm going further down.
I'm coming with. Oh, this is the part where you have to swim, huh?
No, I went the other way. I found the chainsaw. Alright, how the hell are we gonna get back up is the question now. There's gasoline over here. Oh wait, isn't the pick down here too?
Maybe? I don't fucking know.
If it is, then we can get back up. I think it's over here.
Where'd you see the gasoline?
It was to the right, unless you can't pick it up, and only I can.
No, I think there's gas.
Andrew,
You need assistance?
Possibly. He has me cornered. Alright.
I'm coming!
I got him. I got him.
Sounds like there's a lot going on over there.
Yeah, there is. Apparently this guy was still alive.
I think you got him, bro.
He didn't stay down the first time, I was making sure.
What?
Babies, Anna, and one cannibal.
Jesus Christ, he's fast, huh?
Zoom in.
Ah! Blow this up. Blow this bitch up. Oh my god. Corey, the babies are coming.
Go, 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 go.
What am I listening to? Who's drumming down here? What the fuck was that? Did he just kill himself?
Andrew, the bullets are right here. I know your favorite thing in this game.
We need to make a torch, man.
Well, we need to go get the flashlight.
Okay, can vibe with the flashlight. Look at these stalactites.
Andrew, the pick's right here. But we are going down. Wait, no, go back up. I need to make a bomb. We're gonna get ambushed.
Why am I still looking at this thing? Look at me. I've been staring at this thing for a while.
Where? Oh, I don't have any tape. Can you make a bomb?
Maybe. Circuit board, a watch, and coins, right?
Booze and duct tape.
Booze. I don't have any duct tape.
Alright, how do we want to play this?
Hold on.
We have 2 cannibals and 5 babies right at the end of this road.
I have an idea. I have a fantastic idea.
Oh, a Molotov. There we go.
Where's this some bitch at?
They're right below your feet. I literally did nothing. Alright, let me try.
Get you some! Oh my god.
Alright, the babies are dead. The babies are dead. We just gotta deal with the cannibals. And they're
Percent of
right.
occupancy. Wait, what?
They're right below your feet.
Okay, wait. Let me try this again.
You're like sliding down towards them.
What the f?
Why aren't yours working?
They go through the floor. Okay, get.
I think I can actually hit them, like in the face.
Look at me sliding.
Alright, Leroy Jenkins.
Oh my god. That's some phase shit. What the fuck?
Play of the game.
How does that feel, bitch? Do not touch me.
Andrew, kill that baby. Right over there. Alright, now grab the pick. And, was there anything further in this cave?
I don't remember at all.
Well, do you want to keep going further or go back?
I mean, might as well. We're here.
Let me get the pick on one of them guys.
How do you do that? I forgot how to do that.
You have to combine the item with your backpack.
Okay. I'm ready. Where the hell are you?
Up the wall where the pig is, and
Why do you go that way? The other way is way cooler.
I'm in a fight, and I need help. Andrew, I'm about to go down,
I don't remember how to climb with this.
Press E on the wall.
I'm coming! It's amazing that he can do this with one arm.
Alright, they're a little docile right now.
I would never describe them as docile.
Well, they're just zooming.
Oh my! Later! Oh!
Oh shit, there was
Nowhere.
a big one. He's a big boy too.
Yeah, this guy's fucking massive. We'd like to teach you about the cheeses. What is going on?
I don't know.
You got fucking hops, man.
Alright, we gotta climb. Climbing, bros. Alright, we gotta go to the right. You gotta go first. Oh, dude, we're gonna end up in the sinkhole or whatever. I think.
Cool. It's a long climb, huh?
Nice ass, bro.
You kidding me, bro? Do not objectify me.
I'm sorry, dude. It's hard not to.
Piece of shit. Excuse me, could you direct us home, sir?
Well, home's this way. Oh shit. Where?
What is so fucking funny? Huh? Huh, guy? He's laughing at us. I'll show you what fucking happens when you laugh at me. Fuck you.
He just bitch slapped.
Motherfucker. I need food, man.
Andrew, you need rope, cloth, and a stick to make a bow. Which I have all. Alright. And combine. And we'll make that 3. Alright, cool. Now we can actually go hunting. Alright, let's get back home and start working on our base.